Hi ladies, thanks for joining me for another card kit tutorial. This card is a gatefold, but it opens top to bottom. Now your bottom doesn't have this because I didn't like it, so you have just a solid white insert. But let me show you how to put together the outside flaps. Alright, so as I said, you've got a solid for the inside. And I did run out of this DSP. I'm trying to use up some of my older DSP. So this is the Poppy Parade DSP. I mounted it on another piece of DSP, but yours will be like the sample that is just 1/8 of an inch smaller than each of the flaps. So you're just going to glue that on. I'm using my green glue, and you can see this is pretty paper too that I'm covering up. I'm just going to place that on here. Oh, Maggie's around. Somebody must be walking their dog. So, hope you can hear me. I'm just going to keep walking through because she will not stop until they've walked away. Ay, ay, ay. Maggie. Okay, so that's that. So then you've got all these parts and pieces here. And let's do the flower first. You've got the outline for the large and the small poppy. And rather than put glue all the way around the outside, I just put the glue on the center. And then you need to just line that up. Press that down. You've got a little black insert inside piece for the large poppy. And then for the smaller poppy, again, just glue in the center and line that up. And a center for the small poppy. There we go. And then you've got some leaves. I've given you 4 leaves, so I would suggest breaking them up. You know, these two, maybe these 2 leaves and these 2 leaves, just to kind of break up the texture a little bit. The leaves are glued down, and I don't necessarily glue the whole thing down, just a part of it. And the flower itself, is just popped up with dimensionals. Of course, trouble getting up the backings. And then I'm going to just put a little bit of glue on this leaf. Alright, and then the same with the smaller one. And I think I'm going to do it this way. No rhyme, no reason, no right way, no wrong way. Dimensionals on the back of the flower. And what I might do is put this one on the inside. And then glue this in. All right, then you've got a tag, and the tags came from Trio of Tags, which came out with the Halloween set last year. and it's also in the new catalog as well with some new stamps to go into it. So this is all one piece. So I ran them all through the cardstock, and so you'll each get a different shape. All right, just tie a bow through the hole that's in the tag. Pop that up with dimensionals. I've got glue on my fingers. Everything is sticking to my hands right now. All right, and let's see. No. No. Okay, that's where I'm going to put it. All right. So there you go, another card kit, and if you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out. Hope you're doing well, stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye.